I am here with another kit. I got a little bored, I must admit. I've said I weren't going to make any more until after I'd finished the tag challenge and my own 100-day project next month. Not this month now, sorry, we're in July now. But yeah, that didn't quite go to plan. Not feeling very crafty today. My watch is going to die on me, but it is the 4th of July today. Happy Independence Day to all you people out there who are celebrating it. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't feeling very physically creative crafting wise, so I set to and started playing around digitally and just did some fairly simple blue butterfly fussy cut pages for you guys. So yeah, I love this design, I love this butterfly. It's a cool little butterfly. That's what it looks like up close. Nice and simple, not too many fiddly edges to play around with cutting out wise. And what I have done is, thanks to the request of Laurie, my fabulous design, one of my fabulous design team members, Laurie Goodman. Hi Laurie. When I mentioned previously, just in general chit chat about eventually getting around to doing a fussy cut butterfly page, she said, could you by any chance do them on a background? That way, instead of cutting right around the edges, she could leave a border around them. So yeah, and I do that. I like to do that too sometimes. So I have kept it plain and, well, saying plain, fairly simple. Again, it is one of my backgrounds, one of my own digital backgrounds of the hexagon tea dyed papers, which is actually also in the Etsy shop. Links are below. So yeah, you can just see in the background I've just altered it colour wise. Due to the butterflies being blue, I altered it to blue. On that page, you get 4 pages in this kit. There are 25 butterflies on each page. It wasn't planned. I just did the big ones and then the smaller ones, and then there were a few little gaps in between that I wasn't happy with, so I just shrunk them down even more and put some little tiny ones in there randomly just to fill the page. Figured, why not? There are a few blank gaps other places, but they wouldn't fit in there enough to be able to cut around them without hindering the others. So, but yeah, so there's 25 butterflies on each page. There's 4 pages in the kit, so that's 100 blue butterflies for you to cut out with 4 different backgrounds. They're the same background, different colours. So we have the blue one, then we have the tea dyed one. So that is my tea dyed hexagonal tea dyed, whichever one it is, I can't remember what I called it now. My tea dyed hexagon kit. It's got that funky pattern with it, and that is the actual colour of the page from the kit. So I actually started with that one first and then I changed it to blue. But yeah, so you've got that one. Like I said, they're in exactly the same layout and everything, just I altered the background. This is again the same background, but I've dulled it down. It's supposed to be grey. It looked grey on screen, but printed out it's not. It's, I don't know, a rather muted, well it is grey, but it's very muted grey. But yeah, anyway, it's just dulled down a little bit, that's all. These are printed on normal 80 GSM printer paper, so of course these are muted and dulled down anyway. This is exactly the same, that exact same paper in the background, but I've blurred it out completely so you can't see, so you're just left with a more like a creamy coloured background. There's no pattern to the background at all, I've completely blurred it, but yeah, so it's more like a creamy colour. So that's the kit, guys. Like I said, this is it printed on the 80 GSM printer paper. This is it printed on 130. Let me check. Yep, I do this every time. 130 GSM paper, more cardstock. Here, this is my printer, this is not how it will print for you. It's my printer doesn't like this cardstock, weight being a bit thicker. Excuse me, it doesn't like it, so it slightly shifts it when it's printing. Also, these have also been A3 sheets of cardstock that I've cut down into A4, and I've not cut them exactly the same, as you can see. I've not cut them exactly the same when I've been doing it, so of course they don't always line up properly when I put them in the printer. Yours will not print like that. Yours should just print normally like this, and there will be a border around this anyway. But yeah, but like I said, here they are on the cardstock, the 130 GSM. Again, the same, and I actually really like. Normally I prefer them when they're on the printer paper because it mutes it down and then makes it more, tones it down a bit, makes it more muted. But I really like the colour it's turned out on the cardstock. It's more turquoise than blue. Still blue, obviously, but it's come out more of a turquoisey colour, which is really cool. This is a bit darker, which is unusual because it's usually the opposite way around. But yes, so that's the blue one on the cardstock. That is the tea-dyed one on the cardstock, and as you can see, it's a lot brighter, which is nothing unusual for like, not so much cardstock, but better quality paper. You always get a better print. This is the grey toned one, which, like I said, didn't actually turn out grey. Still cool though as a background. I mean, it's only just to give the slightest hint of an outline around your butterfly. If you want to, if not, you can just cut the actual butterfly itself out. But yeah, like I said, the backgrounds were more on request for Laurie. Although, like I said, I do like to leave a border around some of them anyway. And then again, this is the completely blurred out version. A bit more creamy. So, there you go, guys. That's what they turned out like. So, that's the print paper version, cardstock version. And then I printed it out onto a full A4 Avery sheet of sticker paper. So this is one full A4 sheet, and then I cut round it, but once I've cut round it, they will all be sticky. But yeah, so it turned out really well on that. And then I figured we'd do something different, and I printed on vellum, because I like to do this with my fussy cuts, my butterflies and my flowers and things like that. I actually do like to print on vellum so that when you cut around them and put them on the page, they're slightly see-through. You know, you can see the background through them. So yeah, and I printed this on this one, the one on the sticker sheet and the one on the vellum paper. I printed the blurred background. Obviously there is no background to it. I printed the blurred out version, so it's not going to be completely transparent because you are going to have a little bit of colour in the background here. But if you cut the actual butterfly out and don't leave a border around it, it will still be transparent when you put it on a page. So that's really cool. But yeah, so there you go, guys. So you've got, like I said, 4 pages in this kit, exactly the same, just with different backgrounds, same background, different colours and tones. 100 butterflies in total for you to play around with and cut out, which is awesome. This is then printed 1 to a page. I haven't printed 2 or 4 to a page like I would normally do, because I think these are a really good size as they are. My concern, and I should have done it and I didn't, but my concern would be that printed 2 or 4 to a size, that is going to be really, really tiny. But, you know, probably still usable. It's small enough as it is, but as again, they, like I said, them tiny, tiny ones were just space fillers for me. The blank space was annoying me. I was like, these were too big to put forward next to each other. these were alright but didn't fit in the gaps, so I had to do something because it was driving me insane. But yeah, so anyway, there you go guys, and if you are watching this video right now, then this kit is now live for sale in the Etsy shop, so get yourselves down there, on over there should I say. Links in the description box below, so get yourselves over there, and well, if you want to of course, get yourselves over there and grab the kits and have fun. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and again thank you so much for your continued support as far as the digital kits are concerned, as well as everything else. And yeah, I hope you like it guys, and I am going to be working on some more but different colours, so it will be an ongoing thing over the next few months. So I do have, like I said, other things going on at the moment, but I will be doing this kind of thing again, but all in different colours, different butterflies, different colours. Just as a little sneaky peek, and these are all the kinds of butterflies that I have yeah, to be working with. So I'm going to be doing loads of different fussy cut butterfly kits, because you know me guys, love butterflies, they're my spirit animal, so gotta have the butterflies. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, I hope you love the kits, and I will see you again soon. Bye.